Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on an everyday makeup look. This look is just for everyday basis. You know, you could just be going to the library or grocery shopping. You could go out with your girls quick and everything. It's just a quick, easy, like under 10 minutes look that, you know, you're not going anywhere fancy and you just want to look, you know, semi put together, but you want to use the minimum makeup. So this is what I'm going to, you know, show you. This is why I have nothing on my face. It's just plain. I didn't even do my brows because I'm gonna do that on camera, and I haven't did that in a very long time. So yeah. And also, you know, I have this robe on, feeling a little comfy and everything, feeling all nice and good. Going to clip me here to take my hair out my face. The first thing I'm going to do are my brows, and I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. Spoolie it, brush it through. Got a lot, but yeah. I do a straight line. So I just did the straight line. Now I'm filling the bottom in. Just brush the hairs down on the tail of my brow. And that's it. Now I'm just going to spoolie right through to blend it out so it won't look so harsh. On an everyday basis, I don't do a full face. Honestly, I would just do my brows, and sometimes that's it. It depends on how I feel. So after my brows, I'll go in with some concealer, and I'm going to use, of course, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And I'm just going to put a little bit. Put it everywhere. I need some, especially up here. And then under my eyes, I don't want it so brightening. I'm just gonna put a little dab of this. It's still the Maybelline Fit Me, but just in what color? In 30 Cafe. Just want a little bit of, you know, I don't want it too brightening. I'm gonna use my Real Technique sponge to blend this out. I'm going to use a little bit of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder. I'm going to bronze my face a little bit, and I'm going to use the Bahama Mama bronzer from The Balm. And I'm just doing this to give some color to my face. I'm going to apply a little bit of blush, and I'm going to use the Balm Palm Springs. For a little bit of highlight, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder and Precious Petals. Precious Petals. Now for the eyes, it's going to be something so quick and easy. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 palette. And I'm going to dab, first let me get a brush. I'm going to dab into this palette just a little bit, and I'm going to use this shadow right here. And I'm going to apply this in my crease. With this look, I'm not being precise at all. I'm just dabbing this in my crease, and even if it goes on my lid, I don't care. I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to dab into this darker brown, and I'm just going to tap it in my outer corner. And then I'm going to sweep it in just a little bit in the crease. And then with no product on it, I'm just sweeping it in the crease a little bit more to blend it out. I'm dipping back into the lighter shade so I can blend the crease out. And with a fluffier brush, I'm just going to blend it out. So, in any look is a lot of blending. You don't want anything to look too harsh and not blended. Just, yeah, you want it to look seamless. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Only for my top lash, I'm going to use the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Swerve. To finish this look, I'm going to use the ColourPop times Kathleen, the Lippy Stick in Lumiere. My minimum look for every day, if I have to go out real quick, whatever the case is, it's brows, lashes, and a lip balm or something. But if I have to, you know, do something that's more important and I want to look put together, then this is what I would do. Work, college, have to do something important, but don't want to, you know, pack on a lot of makeup and want to do it under 10 minutes, this is it. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you did, please give my video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed and you want to, then, you know, click that button down below. And with that being said, see you next time, guys. Bye.